Hello students, in the earlier lecture we have seen some of the basics regarding the C. Now let's look at uh, if else statements, how these are going to fit to the code that we are going to see with certain simple example. Let's see what exactly it is. First of all, we will see the syntax for if turbo C++ ID. This is what the turbo C++ ID. I will just skip this particular part. Okay. So we'll start with, let's say, the syntax for if. So this is where the if, here we are writing the condition, start the if and close it. This is how the if statement can be added. Now I will just proceed for one simple program for identification. Let's say the program for identification of the user. Okay, means let's say if I press 1 2 3 4, it means the user is what we intended for. So for this one, we'll just add certain lines in the code. Let's say the value to be accepted for certain variable, that variable is, let's say, int ch. This is what the variable. Next we are putting the message for the user, printf. Let's say it is the message which is like enter user id. Okay, this is what the message for the user. Next is scanf. This is, since the value is integer, right here %d, then ampersand ch. Now based on the ch, the condition has to be executed. So here we will just put ch is equal to 1 2 3 4. Now this ch is equal to, so this is where the equality operator is in the picture. So here I will just add on printf correct use, or let's say welcome. Okay, so this is what the thing which we can do. Now let me just add here the clear screen, clr I will just add this function. Now what exactly this code is? Here we are declaring the variable of integer type, that is ch, calling the clr function. Then the next thing is for the user guidance, the message is provided on the screen. Enter the user id. If the user id is, let's say, 1 2 3 4, then we will get the message correct user, welcome. Okay, this is what the simple syntax for the if. Now let's compile the code and run it. So if I press here, let's say the value 1 2 3 4, I will get the message correct user, welcome. Now this is all about the if. Now what about the else? Why to go for the else? Let's say the same program, if someone goes for, let's say, 2 2 2 2, this time it doesn't give any message. So for this second thing to happen, that is nothing but the, we can say, indicated by the else condition. So here I will just put wrong user or invalid user. Let's put it like invalid user. Okay, so this is how the else will be in the picture. So I just followed here the proper indentation. To start the main function, I used this curly bracket. On the same line I used to close the main function. When I started the else at this particular line, at the same point on the next line we ended the else. This is what we have done for the if also. Now since these two statements are carrying single, you can say, the statement inside the body, so that's why Sometimes it may be neglected to carry out this starting and ending curly bracket if it carries only one statement within. Now let's compile it. Firstly we will go for, okay, what is it? Okay, this is due to the print. So here I typed by mistake as a printer print. It should be actually printer. So let's enter other than 1234, so it will give me the invalid user. Now these things can be checked with the help of the debug option. So by using F7 key one can monitor it, how the flow of the code is done. So let's press F7 each time and verify your code. This is how it is done. So this is called as a debug option, so you can just check it here. F7 key, use of the F7 key. Okay, right now in the debug option it is there. Okay, now this shortcut key we can use. So that's all for this particular thing. I hope everyone got it. Everyone try it at home. What exactly the if else. Now the same program we can modify for the else if. Let's say if 1234 is the password which user enters, then we will get the message correct user. If I say it is within the range, certain range, let's say it is and ch less than, let's say 200. If ch is greater than 100 or greater than equal to 100 and less than equal to 200, then we can say it is the correct user. Else if, so here I will just add one more statement. Else if it is, let's say ch is greater than equal to 201 and ch less than 300, less than equal to, I will just add range is overloaded. Okay, this we just mention within 201 to 300. Okay, this is what the message for the user. On the earlier line I will just change range within 100 to 200. Okay, this is slight modification of the same code. Enter the user ID. Okay, now if this is getting failed, now let's say else if is failed, then what to do? So if else if is also failed, then we will add one more statement, that is, let's say printf please enter proper value. This is where the else if comes in the picture. It means that if this condition is failed, then we are going to verify for the else if, and if that is also getting failed, then else will be in the execution. Let's say it, how exactly it will be verified. So here purposefully I will go for the value 555. So please enter proper value. If I go for, let's say, the value in between the 200 and 300, so it will give within 201 to 300. So thank you everyone. This is all about the if else as well as the else if. Else if ladder can be further modified, but this is right now sufficient to understand related to the syntax.